This is me at the Beaches project preparing the shower. I've already poured the concrete base, raised it so it all slopes to the center before I install the vinyl pan. I'm doing this part of the shower old school. I'm going to install a vinyl pan, so over the sloped substrate, preparing the surface and the drain, cleaning up the drain edges before I go ahead and install the vinyl. There we go, that's looking a little bit cleaner. Ready to put the vinyl over top. This is the waterproofing for the bottom of the shower. It'll go up the walls. Any water that gets through the tile will hit the vinyl and go down the drain. It's exposing the 3 screws of the drain flange. And then cutting out the hole. It's a compression fitting and should not have any silicone. There we go, so no cuts in the corners. We're folding the corners to make sure that the water seal remains intact. Doing the 4 middles first, and then folding in the corners. It's easier to manage that way, and using roofing nails to secure it in place. Trim the excess once it's in position. Got to make sure all the corners are tight, or as tight as possible. Don't want to obstruct the substrates. Here you got a good view of the drain assembly. That's going to thread into the drain that's already in place. And you thread that down to the height required for the finished tile. In this case, we're going to add another layer of cement. Measuring to make sure that it's squared to the opening. So I'm getting ready to pour the next layer of concrete on top. We're using sand mix concrete to add the slope so that the tile, when installed on the new substrate, will all slope to the drain. Here I'm going to show how the shower drain works when it's not siliconed in place. So I'll pour some water on the shower pan. This is for any water that seeps through the tile. If it does, first of all, the slope is there to send the water to the drain. Secondly, the weeping holes in the drain assembly are exposed. There you can see the water draining from the shower pan down the drain. That's the way it's supposed to work. You want your shower to be able to dry out after use. And here we go with the second application of cement to create the substrate for the tile to be installed upon. There we go. Some adjustments to the height of the drain assembly. Make sure the perimeter is level and sloped to the drain. There we go.